Hello and welcome back to Fabulous Ideas, and I did say that I had that beautiful garden tour. This is my little small garden that I have really made it into my little sanctuary at the moment. I painted this fence here, this brilliant red, and I thought that, you know, this is a really nice vibrant colours and the green really stands out against it. I also bought those hanging white flowers that you saw in the black pots. The pots were from IKEA, but the flowers were from Amazon. This cast iron corner shelving was from Amazon as well. I've got some fairy solar power lights on there, and there is the IKEA pot and flowers at the top. So over on the other end of my garden, I have this quirky fairy on this plant pot here, and also a little fairy door. I just think that sometimes you have to have little magical things. There's also a yellow rabbit there I got from Tiger. There is a cast iron coffee table actually that I'm using to just put some flowers on, a solar powered light on there, a little lantern on there, and these are natural flowers that you can see going on here on the fake grass. Again, you can get from Amazon. And then going along my fence here, I have this let's go through the flowers because those are my real ones. And then here we have a bike with a little fake flower arrangement going on here. I got both of those from Amazon as well, but not together, so you have to do your measurements there. Again, the plant pot there and a wishing well here. So I love having some different things. I also stained that didn't come like that, just like I did with my table, so I dark stained that as well. And also this large rose bush plant here going on from Amazon, really great. It's a large one, so it really does stand out, the pink against the yellow. Right at the back here, I'm really happy with this because I did a fake hedge and I put it all together myself on a trellis at the back there because it was all plain before, and I got those sunflowers from IKEA. You saw that from my last video. I have these solar powered lanterns here, and on this black storage box, which I showed in a previous video a while ago now, I have this snail, a cat and a mushroom. The cat and the snail are solar powered. There's my real cat there, enjoying the garden. So I'm really happy that the cats are really enjoying the garden. So yeah, many things on Amazon. If you have a look for garden things, they have such a wide range of things and ornaments, and some just things you wouldn't even think about. I just put in garden things for the things for the garden, and so many ideas came up, which was really handy. And also going to IKEA as well has given me, there's lots of things as well there, not just indoors but outdoors as well. So in that combination of those two shops, I've managed to make this lovely garden space. And also let's move along so we can see what else is in my garden. Another lantern, so I've got two on both sides, and can't wait to put them on, and I'll show you some images of those lit up at night. Yeah, so that's really nice. And again, I've added a few more of the white flowers as well, just to add some contrast and some colours. And you know, not everything is just green. It's nice to have a bit of white, it's nice to have a bit of purples in there. I just wanted a bit of everything. So there's natural plants going on with artificials, and also there's this little bird table here. I bought the purple stones from Amazon. There's some solar powered stones as well, that glow in the dark ones, sorry. Fake grass underneath just to bring that green in. Yeah, just love that. And that's also solar powered as well. So loving the solar powered lights, which I've got from Amazon. And that is a natural rose bush there. It's actually got yellow roses on that. This is my clothes rail. I just wanted to show you this quickly. These are great. You can get these from Amazon, and they do hold so much clothes, and they've got wheels and you can just move them around. So when it rains, you can take them indoors. They fold flat, but obviously you've still got them height, but it's upright. You can put them away. I really like it. I've got two of them. So this is the outside of my kitchen wall now, and I've got that little storage cabinet there, a little grey one. I've just put a little plant pot on top with some fake hedge balls. I think that's what they're called. I've also got this as well for storage. I love having storage in the garden because it's great to make use of the outdoor space, and I just painted it grey. It was beige before, and put some stickers on there, some floral stickers which you can get from Amazon, and I just think it looks better than what it did before. It looked very plain, and also most of my outdoor furniture is all grey, and now it all links and matches up. I got this cast iron bench, a two-seater from Amazon, and these little placemats here that you've got on the table, which is all garden-like, are from IKEA. On the cast iron bench at the back there, you can see this beautiful cushion pad that I bought. I had to measure that. You can see how thick it is. It really does sit you upright. I got that from Amazon. I had to do my measurements. So I'm just going to have some lunch before finishing off this garden tour. I have some lovely Mediterranean vegetables there, salad, celery, lemon juice, and also some lovely olives over here mixed with cheese and some coriander. Yeah, I'm going to sit here and I'm going to enjoy the view and enjoy my lovely lunch outside. I hope that you're enjoying this lovely garden tour and everything that's in this video. And I wanted to show you these lounger chairs that you get with a tray. You can put a cup, a phone on there. They actually recline all the way back. You've had this little pillow here to rest your head. They come in a pair of two. Those are from Amazon. They're a bit pricey, but they will do the job. They're also great, you know, for relaxing in the sun. Even in a normal day, you could just put a throw if you just want to get outdoors. It's not too cold, and yeah, get cozy and read a book. But I really, really love them. I'm glad I invested in them. So from where I'm sitting here, this is my view. This is my water fountain. I got that many years ago. That is from the house. No, actually isn't. That is actually from an online shop. I can't tell you where. I can't even remember. I just looked for water fountains. This was the one that I wanted. It was black. The actual fountain itself, the original, broke, but the I got the solar powered one from Amazon. I think it really gives a beautiful effect. The sound of water as well flowing is very relaxing. This is my other cat, Rocco. The cats are really enjoying it. They're out and about more often now that the garden looks more like a garden. I'm going to show you some before pictures before we end this video, and I'm also going to show you those solar powered lights at night so that you get to see them. I think it's really cozy when it's a hot days to sit out here, have dinners, lunches, and also even watch a movie out here in the evenings on the really hot days, and just put all the solar lights on. I think that would be really, really nice. So yeah, if you haven't got a water feature, I suggest you get one. I really recommend it. It's very calming, soothing, and really, really nice to look at as well. And if you are really hot, this really does cool you down. So here is the garden and what it looked like before all of the renovations took place. So you can see it was very boring, very dull, lack of colour and lack of greenery, which is what we all want for a lovely enriched garden. So yeah, I hope you appreciate. This is the after. So before I leave, I just want to say that I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it's given you some inspiration if you haven't already set yourself up for doing your gardening. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit on that notification so you see more fabulous ideas, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. But don't go straight away. Before I leave, I just want to show you the solar lights and what the garden looks like at night, and I'll leave you with that and I'll say goodbye here.